before we go into the clean room, we need to get properly dressed. So first off, we'll have to change our shoes. This is going to be a really thorough go-through. Find your size.
And then check out the hovering feet. Oh.
Nice and comfy. Then we go find our suit. Find a size that fits. And here comes the tricky part. We need to get into the suit without the suit touching the ground. There we go.
And the absolutely hardest part.
I think this one will surprise you how easy this will look. This is just like being a kid again.
In your fly suit?
In my fly suit. So now I'm in my suit. We need to go and grab a hairnet to get over my hair. And of course there's a mirror for the main people, so we can make sure that we look pretty. And I will grab one of these. Almost ready to operate.
Oh, build satellites.
So
but
now I have to find shoes that fits.
But Andreas, you're already wearing shoes.
So we need to be really clean. Shoe covers. Sit it. Close it. For these legs of the shoes not to fall down, we can use these clip-ons on the side of each leg. That's one shoe. There's no right and left on these shoes.
It's a perfectly symmetric system.
Super symmetry. Keep the shoes on when you take on another pair of shoes. Then we are almost good to go. I need to remember to cover my head. I'll tighten this a bit so it doesn't fall in front of my eyes. No. We need to remember to cover the wrist, so this goes on the outside. On with the other glove. Now we're ready to go in.
This is the Delphini-1. This is to ground me, so that there is no electrostatic discharge, which could seriously hurt the machine. We need to finish the cabling and photovoltaic solar cells. So we got this frame that we spent a lot of time putting all these little spacers on it to make it fit, and so that these complex stack connectors, they hold as little as possible. And it's very important that they is exactly equal on each side, so that there will be no twists in the frame in the end. And what they're holding is, first of all, the payload, the camera, which is what we're sending into space. Then we have some space for the external frame, which has little kill switches here. Then we have the duck here, which holds a computer and a radio. On the top we have the power supply with these battery-like things here, which will hold the power, and this row of connectors which will go to the photovoltaic cells. It's the satellite, it's done, and all the solar panels are attached, and you can see the camera. And we have put it in this glass box to protect it from dust and stuff. All that's left to do is test it, program it, and transport it, and all that stuff, and it's gonna take a long time, but now it's built.